Hi, I'm Dr. Tim Walker at Somers Animal Hospital, and today we're going to discuss regenerative medicine. In particular, we're going to review stem cell therapy. This is a very exciting area of veterinary medicine as it is in human medicine. The important thing right off the bat is to understand we're not talking about embryonic stem cells. We're talking about the body's own stem cells, so that takes all of the politics out of the equation. So these are stem cells that we all walk around with, and they're stem cells that we're harvesting from the patient's fat or bone marrow. Here we tend to use fat because it's more accessible and actually has a much higher number of stem cells than we find in bone marrow. So what we're using these stem cells for mostly in veterinary medicine is to treat acute injuries or chronic problems, most often in joints. So we might be talking about a tendon problem, a ligament injury, or osteoarthritis, the arthritic joint. And traditionally, these injuries often we were looking at anti-inflammatories, pain relievers, and rest. This is moving beyond that and trying to help the body heal. So what we do here is we harvest the stem cells one day in a brief procedure. It takes about 48 hours to process them. The patient then comes back and the stem cells are injected, again most commonly into a local area like a tendon or into a joint. The thing that stem cells do, we all know how they can turn into other cells, and that's partly what they're so good at doing. But what's interesting is they're also very good at helping the body heal. So they actually can orchestrate the body's own healing process in, for instance, a sick joint. So if you're talking about a knee injury, if you look at a knee with arthritis or a chronic ACL tear, for instance, it's a horribly inflamed joint. It's a sick joint. Your synovial lining of the joint is thickened. There's fluid in there that looks kind of bloody, that's full of inflammatory mediators. When we put stem cells in there, they actually can turn off that inflammatory cascade and actually seem to be able to bring in other cells that are very important in healing. So we get less inflammation, so we do get pain relief, but we actually will see healing. So it's a very exciting area in veterinary medicine, and if you have any further questions or would like to discuss it, please give us a call. Thank you.